Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the electric shock body effect as a background. So go to select the photo you like to edit, and I'm going to remove from for the background. Click on the clip and select cutout, select chroma key, and select the background you want to remove. So just for the strength and then shadow until you get the perfect. Alright, go to effect and go to body effect, and you can find um the electric. Sorry. Alright, the glowing lines, and you can find the electric shock. Just add to track, and you can adjust body duration in the same length. Alright, so you can see the final result like so. Right click and create compound clip. Alright, just going to split and remove unused. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.